See, in an examination, 1100 boys and 900 girls appeared. 50% of the boys and 40% of the girls passed in the examination. The percentage of candidates who failed. Here, the information is given on passed candidates and they are asking about finally failed candidates. Now, out of 1100 boys and 900 girls, how many are passed? 50% passed means 50% failed, that is 550 of 1100. Then 40% of the girls passed, in the sense 60% of the girls failed. So 540. So total will be 1090 failed out of 2000. 1100 plus 900 is 2000 into 100. 2 zeros 0. 54 twos is 108. So 54.5. Next question. Two students appeared at an examination. One of them secured 9 marks more than the other, and his marks were 56% of the sum of their marks. So, see that actually S1 plus S2, 56% of the total. Who is that? Let S1 is the highest mark. Yes, two students appeared at an examination. One of them secured 9 marks more than the other, and his marks were 56% of the sum of their marks. The marks obtained by them, they are asking. Sum of their marks together is S1 plus S2, given that. Now, S1 plus S2 by S1 is equal to 100 by 56. But this is together. Together is 100 parts. S1 alone is 56. Then S2 must be S2 by S1 is equal to 44 by 56, which is 4 11s, 4 14s. The gap between them is 3 parts. In the question, the 3 parts is given 9 marks, because one of them secured 9 marks more than the other. So 3 parts is 9 marks. The marks obtained by them are, then S1 14 parts will be how much? 3 into 3 9, so 14 into 3 42. Then 11 parts. 3 into 3 9, then 11 into 3 is 33. Got it? 42 and 33. First option. In a group of students, 70% can speak English and 65 can speak in Hindi. If 27% of the students can speak none of the two languages, then what percent of the group can speak both the languages? These type of questions, see, two categories they have taken. Take Venn diagram support. So, two categories. One speak English, one speak Hindi. English 65% and Hindi, English 70% and Hindi is, wait a second, this is 70% and this is 65%. Then if 27% of the students can speak none of the two languages, then what percent of the group can speak both the languages? Let X can speak both the languages. Then this becomes 70 minus X and this will be 65 minus X. Now total will be what percentage? 100%. The total is equal to N of E plus N of H minus N of E intersection H plus neither is equal to her total N of E union H, that is 100%. My N of E, see, total, we can, instead of this we can do like 70 plus 65 minus together is X. Together is X plus neither is given 27, which is equal to 100. Then X is equal to, now this will be 135 plus 27 162 minus 100 62. 62% can speak both the languages. Next question. The population of a village was 9,800. In a year with the increase in a population of males by 8% and that of females by 5%, the population of the village became 1458. What was the number of males in the village before increase? Before increase they are asking. The population of a village was 9,800. Okay. So males plus females is equal to 9,800. In a year with the increase of a population, increase in population of males by 8% means 108 by 100 m plus 5% of the population. Females means 105 by 100 female. Then it became 10,458. Take the LCM. It becomes, or other is 1.08 m plus 1.05 f is equal to 10458. They're asking what was the number of males in the village. Males, we need males, so we need to eliminate female. So this equation, if I multiply by 1.05, so 1.05 m plus 1.05 f is equal to 1.05 into 9,800. 98 into 2 zeros were there, na? So 1.05 becomes 105. See, it is, I am going to show you the shortcut. 105 is 100 going more than by 100, more than by 100 by 5, so plus 5. 98 is 2 less than, so minus 2. Now multiply them cross. Before that, answer should be in two categories. One is right and the other is left. See, right hand side it indicates number of digits. But to which number we have taken this? With reference to 100. 100 more than by 5, 100 more, less than by 2. For 100, how many zeros at the end? 2 zeros. So here 2 digits must be. That is 2 into 5, 10. Then it is negative. So put a bar. Bar indicates negative. Then 105 minus 2, 103, or otherwise 98 plus 5, 103. Both the cases it is 103. That 103 should be multiplied to the base number, starting number of the base. What we have taken 100. Starting number is 1. So 103. 103. Now right hand side 2 digits. Okay. But what is this? Complement. We need to calculate the complement. Negative indicates complement. Complement of 10 is 90. Then reduce, after complement, reduce 1 from the number. 10290. So it becomes 10290. Subtract. Sorry, we need to subtract this. So 108 minus 1.05 will be 0.03 males is equal to 8. 15 minus 9, 6, 1. 168. So m is equal to 168 by 0.03. Multiply by 100 by 100. So 168 into 100 by 3. 3 ones, 3 5s, 3 9s. 5,000 must 6 times. 3 5s, 3 6. 5,600. Hope you understood this. Only this multiplication part you have taken time. Okay. The price of an article is reduced by 25%, but the daily sale of the article is increased by 30%. The net effect is, out of 100, reduced by 25%, it becomes 75. Now increased by 30%. What is 10%? 7.5. 30% is 75 into 3, 22.5. It will become 7.5. Totally it is decreased by 2.5%. So decrease of 2.5. Next question. A number reduced by 25% becomes 225. What percent should it be increased? so that it becomes 375. My number when decreased by 25% means 75% is 225. 225. Then what they are saying was to become 375, it should increase by what they are asking. So for 225, if it is 75, then 375 it will be 375 by 225 into 75. Then 75 ones, 75 threes, 3 125, 3 125s. How much increased over the 100? It is more than by 25. So 25%. The strength of a school increases and decreases every year, in every alternate year, by 10%. It started with increase in 2000. Then the strength of the school in 2003 as compared to that in 2000 was. First, from 100. In the year 2000, it increased by 10%. It becomes 110. Then 2001 means 2000 to 2001 it increased. Then 1 to 2 it decreased by 10%. Means it become 10% is 11. 11 if you reduce from 1 it becomes 99. Now over 99 in the next year it increased by 10%. So 10% is 9.9. On adding 9.9 it becomes 108.9. So overall increase is 8.9%. 8.9%. In an election between two candidates, 75% of the voters cast their votes, out of which 2% votes were declared invalid. A candidate get 9261 votes, which were 75% of the total votes. The total number of voters enrolled in that election was. In an election between two candidates, 75% of the voters cast their, okay, let the votes be X. 75% of the voters cast their vote means 75 by 100. 2% votes declared invalid. The remaining are 98 by 100. A candidate got 9261 votes which were 75% of the valid. So that is equal to how much? 9261. One candidate got 9261. Then how many votes were polled they are asking. Now this is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. The rest is equal to 9261 into 4 into 4. 16 into 100 by 98. Now 98 is multiple of 7. Is that a multiple of 7 or not? 7 ones, 7 threes, 21, 7 twos, 7 threes. Then again 7 14, 7 twos, 7 ones, 62, 7 eights, 56, 7 nines, 2 ones, 2 eights. So how many times it goes? 8 nines, 72 and 2 zeros were there. 7 is carried, 8 8 64 plus 7, 71, 7 is carried, 15. Somewhere it went wrong. So 9261, 98. First go by 7. 7 ones, 7. 7 threes, 21. 116. 7 twos, 14. Okay, 1 3 2 3. Then 1 3 2 3 by 7. 7 ones, 7. 7 eights, 56. 7 nines, yeah, correct only. 189 into 8. Okay, we'll do again this question. Two persons contested an election of parliament. The winning candidate secured a 57% of the total votes polled and won by a majority of 42,000 votes. The number of total votes polled is two persons contested an election of parliament. The winning candidate got 57%. The winner got 57. Then loser must be 43. How much more percentage than that is 14%. In the question that 14% is given as 42,000. Then they are asking the number of votes polled is means 100% is how much. 14 how many times is 3000. So 3000 into 100 is 3 lakhs. The present population of a city is 1,80,000. If it increases at the rate of 10% per annum, its population after 2 years will be 1,80,000 into how much percent is increasing? 10%. 1 plus 10 by 100 whole power 2 years. So it becomes 18,000 into 00. 11 by 10 whole square is 121 by 100. 2 zeros got cancelled. Now 181 into 121. Now sum of the digits 9. 9 into some number gives sum of the digit sum. Digit sum is 9. What is this digit sum? See this 1 plus 8 9. 1 to 1 is 4. Now 9 into 4 36. 36 is 3 plus 6 9. Among the digits which is having 9 as the digit sum, that should be our answer. 2 plus 7 9 plus 8. No, it won't give. Yes, this will be our answer because this won't give the digit sum as 9 or this won't give the digit sum as 9. Digit sum as 9. Digit sum means add the digits till you get the single digit. See this 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 7 10. 10 plus 8 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. So sometimes this kind of calculations also we can use. The value of a property decreases every year at the rate of 5%. If its present value is 411,540, what was its value 3 years ago? 3 years ago. My value is property is decreasing. So we don't know how much percentage it is initially. Means how much value it is initially we don't know. Let it be X value. And it is decreasing per every, decreasing so minus. Suppose if it is increasing plus, decreasing by 5%. 5 by 100. How many years? 3 years ago. So if you calculate this, it should be equal to this. For 3 years it is reduced. So it becomes 540. Then what is that value they are asking? So 411,540. This becomes 1 minus 5 by 100 is 95 by 100. 95 by 100. Here I am writing 95 by 100 should become now 100 by 95 into 100 by 95 into 100 by 95. This goes 5 20s, 5 19s. 20, 19, 20, 19. Anyhow, this number should be divisible by this 19, 19, 19. But see here, definitely it should be divisible because here all the answer is integer value. So I use digit sum. My digit sum of 19, 1 plus 9, 10, 1 plus 0, 1. So 1, 1. And 2, 2, 2. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 4 and 5 gives 9. Remove 9s. 1 plus 1 plus 5. Why I am saying remove 9s? Because 92 digit sum is 2. Because 9 plus 2, 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. Means this 9 directly we can eliminate and write 2. In the same way, sum of the digits which give 9 also we can eliminate. Now 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 6. 6 into 8, 48. 48 means 4 plus 8, 12. 1 plus 2, 3 must be the digit sum. First one wrong, 9. Second one 1. This is the answer because here it is giving 7. So 4,80,000. Then next, if a man receives on 1/4 of his capital 3%, 1/4 of his capital, let the capital be P, means P by 4 and 3%, 3 by 100 plus and 2/3 of 5%, 2 by 3 of P, 5 by 100. And the remaining, first initially 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3, how much? 3 plus 8, 11 by 12. The remaining means 1 From 1 we need to subtract. It become 1 by 12. 1 by 12 means P by 12 into 11 by 100. This becomes total 3P by 400 plus 10 by 300, 10P by 300 plus 11P by 1200. LCM, suppose P by 100 if I remove, common, 3 by 4 plus 10 by 3 plus 11 by 12. LCM will become 12. So 3 3 is 9 plus 3 10s 30. Sorry, 4 to 40 plus 11. So total P by 100. Now percentage into 100. Over 12 only, na? So into 100. Now 100 get cancelled. 12 ones, this total is 60. 12 5 60, so 5%. So we'll see the question which we left. Where is the question we left? Yeah, this one. So what was happened, we'll see that. In an election, two candidates, 75% of the voters can vote. What we did should be correct only, but somewhere we have made the mistake. That mistake we need to identify. Total 75%, less the total votes be X. X into 75% of the voters cast their vote. 75 by 100 into 98 by 100 into 75 by 100 is equal to 9261. Then 3 by 4. 3 by 4. X is equal to 9261 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 100 by 98. First 3 3 is 9. We'll divide by 9 ones 0, 9 2 is 18, 9 9s. Now this 7, how many times it divides? 7 ones, 7 fours, 7 sevens, 7 21. 21 into 16, 16 ones, 7 to 7 ones. And 2 is there. So 2 ones, 8. 8 ones 8, 8 to 16, 16800. What we did is correct only, a calculation mistake.